I've got it right there. So then somebody got picked it up. I can't. Pick up the throats. I can't go down the end. Just a wee bit. Thank you. I know.
But why does it come out so I don't hit myself in the face?
You got a little bit.
Sam, who's got the other two?
After all these years, we've finally made it. Today I will marry the one I love, the one I dream with, the one I live for, my best friend, my soulmate, and my true love. I can't wait to become your wife. Fancy getting married today. I love you today, tomorrow, and for always. Shannon. Thanks very much.
To my beautiful bride Shannon, today I vow to love you, to be yours forevermore. Today I become your husband, of the woman that I adore. Before you came into my life, I never really knew that I could feel for anyone the love I feel for you. I'll be beside you every step through all life brings our way. Today I vow to love you on this our wedding day. Oh.
I have seen Shannon dressed up in so many guises over the years, for a Christmas pudding, a Christmas present, a Teletubby Tinky Winky, an apprentice mechanic, and various school dances and proms. But today is the very first time when I saw her dressed in her wedding dress, she brought tears to my eyes. She just looks stunning, don't you? Hey, wow, look at you gorgeous. Hey, wow, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. I will, I shall. Yeah. You okay? You fine?
Yeah.
You fine? Like I say, she was always a tomboy, always dabbling in what Dad was doing. A granddad's girl, to be honest. I think she was more a granddad's girl. She loves her granddad.
Now look, it's Shannon. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't she?
Oh my God.
It's beautiful. You okay?
Oh, good. You okay?
I'm fine.
Oh
It's
my
just
God.
fine. You okay? I
So close here, so.
Beautiful.
What the close?
Like it?
Oh, it's stunning, darling. Just beautiful.
I'm a bit late, so Chris might kick my backside, but we're okay. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please be upstanding for the arrival of the bride?
Are you? Okay.
Thank you. Before God, in the presence of family and friends, I, Christopher Gordon Lamb, declare my love for you, Shannon Alison Scott, and I give myself to you as husband.
And I give myself to you as your wife. I promise you my love, my loyalty, and my trust for as long as we live.
If you so desire, would you like to give your wife a kiss? And if you want to give them a round of applause, that's fine.
Thank you.
I can think of no one better than Christopher to be taking Shannon's hand in marriage and becoming officially me and Annette's son-in-law.
big sook.
Sook.
Congratulations, Shannon. We love you. We love you so much, darling.
A lovely day and a long and happy life. Cheers.
Did you get that for me?
Yeah.
That's so kind. Can I have a big cuddle? Can I have a big cuddle? What a good kiddo you are.
Together we'll build a home that is filled with love.
Are you filming me?
I promise you this, no matter what comes our way,
That's a good kiddo.
never giving up. I won't miss a thing.
If Chris, after 9 years, does not know what he is letting himself in for, then I'm sorry. Tough luck.
Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of my wife and I'd like to welcome everybody to Meldrum House Hotel for our wedding. We're both delighted you've all managed to be here to celebrate this special day with us.
I'll spend eternity and maybe get to see.
And I absolutely love the pockets. Lovely. Oh, I'm out again.
A marriage is a promise, two hearts be glad to make. A promise to be tender, to help, to give and take. A marriage is a promise to share a life together, filled with love and meant to be kept like that forever. May your love be modern enough to service the times and old-fashioned enough to last forever. Here's to love, laughter and happily ever after. As Chris and Shannon start their new life together, please stand and toast for you, Mr. and Mrs. Lamb. Chris and Shannon.
I'd now like to turn everybody's attention to this beautiful thing sitting next to me.
Some things never change.
No? I'm sure you all agree that Shannon looks beautiful today.
Make sure